Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys what you can do if your phone is frozen. So to hard reset it, you're going to press the volume up button, the down button, and you're going to press this button for a really long time. Let's try that again. Okay, up button, down button, and this one. And if you see this, just leave it and keep holding the power button until your phone shuts down. And hopefully it won't freeze again. And that's how you can basically unfreeze your phone. But that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!